Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki. My name is Shamaki. I'm going to show you in this quick video how to create a rolling film and credit. So that's been said, let's get started. So first you need to do is to come down here and then you click on this and then you click on the black video and you click on OK. So you drag this black video to the timeline and then you extend it like this. So next you either press T or you just come down and grab the type tool. Then you place this type tool here to begin typing. Alright, so your end credit, basically you should have them typed somewhere and all of that so that you don't have to go to type in another. So I have mine in a Microsoft Word document and here it is. So I'm just going to copy it from beginning to where it is. I can just do Ctrl A to copy everything, then I just right click on it and click on a copy. So I'm going to come back to Premiere Pro and on this my text I'm going to just paste it. So I have generated this directly from AI. So when you come down here you will see this thing say show in text panel. So this will show, because this is the only place that you'll be able to see. You can't really see much here. Alright, so since you can see, you grab your selection tool and you come in here to just make some adjustments. So I see that the font of this is very high, so I'm going to reduce it. Yeah, I'm just going to reduce it. Then I'm going to come down to the text layer. I'm going to make this and then I'm going to go back up. I'm going to make it center. So I still have that this is still very high, so I'm just going to reduce it maybe to around 47 thereabout, or let's make it 40. Yeah, so let's increase it a bit. Yeah, so once we have that, we will now, another thing you need to do is to make sure that your safe merging is activated. If you can't see it here, you come to this plus sign and you see it, so you drag it and bring it to your timeline and then you click on OK. So if I turn on my safe margin, that will show me exactly whether my texts are within the safe margin or not. So when I have this, I'm going to drag this text to cover the video, alright, the black video I created, So, but we can see that none of the thing is not rolling yet. Yeah, now you just click on this. Once this is clicked, then you come to the edit. But another way, if you click on this, you will only be seeing options to edit this, so don't have the temptation of clicking on this. So just make sure this is clicked and then this is deselected, or you just click on this and then you see this roll button here. You just click on it. Once you click on it, then you click on play. Voila, that's because I drag it very lengthy, so it's going slowly. But if I had allow it within the way it just goes by, you will see that it will be running fast. So let me reduce it like this so that you see what I'm saying. So the reason why I created the black video and extended it so that I didn't have to go through the stress of it being very fast. So you can see that the speed now will be faster than as I dragged it. So basically this is how you can create a rolling film credit. This is a standard Nollywood film credit I just show you. So thank you for watching. If you see this helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you don't like it, still subscribe, like, share. If you like it, click the love button and subscribe. I love you. I'll see you in the next video.